Hi everyone, and this is Annie, and I wanted to show you our March 2018 stamp release. So our first stamp that we have is Christine Cookies, and she's a cute little girl. She comes with a cookie that you could mask in her hand, and also like a Girl Scout banner type sash. It doesn't have to be Girl Scouts, it could just be a sash. And then we have Alice, thank you. She's like a Bo Peep looking character. She's got a little thank you, her little lamb, and her little outfit with her cane. And then we have Victoria, Here's the Dirt, our little garden girl. Again, comes with a potted plant or a water pitcher that you can mask in your hands. We also have the new Squiggle Wiggle Stencil. It's 6x6 stencil. Does really lovely background. And then we have our metal die builders and a script font, one that says hello, one that says thanks, and one that says hugs. So 3 different dies being released this month. And then finally we have our decorative die cuts. This is called Garden Grow, and it comes with 43 pieces. Lots of pieces inside, and these are all of the different images that come, and you get multiples of them, so you can do many different cards and projects with them. So that is what comes with this. Is our release for March, and here are the projects that I made. The first one I did with the Christine Cookies is I did a sharing is caring, and I masked the cookies in both of her hands, so she has 2 cookies, and I used the background stencil. So here's her stamp, and there's that cookie that I masked in both of her hands. And so that's our first card. Our second one is our Alice card. I used the Hugs die and colored in our image, and I used the Land of Oz dies that were released the end of February to do the shrubbery and the hillside behind her. And then our last card is our Victoria Garden card. And I just made like a 3-dimensional type card, and I used a lot of the decorative die cuts, as you can see, and I just placed them and made a cute little scenery for her. And I also used the scripty hello die up in the tree, and that is my 3rd card for the release that I made for this month. And I hope that you'll stop by and have a great day. Thank you.